ready? Can you get ready? Thank you. Okay, here we go. We'll bring this one. Now this one's a smaller pillow.
So you don't need as much fabric.
That's right. You see that? Now don't forget, anytime that you are using an 18-inch pillow, whatever size it is that has got down, you always want it for one size smaller. So let's say, oh, I want an 18-inch pillow. Then you got to buy a 20-inch pillow for them. All right? If you want an 18-inch, you have to buy that. If you want a 16-inch pillow, you buy an 18-inch. Because down will shrink on you too much and you will not get the size you want to have. And that's everywhere you buy it, no matter where you're going. So right here, safety pin. Now, if you can go under, if you have to have one great big one, go underneath it. Don't, it's just ugly having it at the top, all right? If you can, just like that, it looks better. And you cannot buy a cheap safety pin, okay? It's going to bust on you, it's going to hurt you whenever you're sitting down on it. You got to have quality on the safety pin. It's hard to find good quality safety pin. Okay, watch this. Now I got a little bit more room and I can play even, see this? You can even do pleat. Do you see what I'm saying? Watch this. You can do pleating, 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 just like this. Coming across. Do you see how pretty that is on the side? See how pretty, then what you do to make sure you don't lose it is take the rubber band, put it all the way around it to hold it in place. Then you take the other one, pull it on up. Whoops, not a good job. Pull this over. Now, here. I'm going to make a rosette now. This is the last one, and we have to get started on class. There we go. See how it's got the pleats? Now I'm going to go like this. Now I've got both of them together. See how pretty those are on the sides? This costs a fortune to have custom made. So now pull this here, and there. And try, oh yeah, didn't tell you this. Never trust a rubber band, it will die on you. So what you have to do is take either twisty ties, they'll pull ties like electrical ties, whatever, put it around it, and so you can please try to do a clear one, don't let something show. It won't be pretty. So make this a little bit tighter because it's not, and we're going to have a rosette. Do you know rosettes are coming back again? You don't even know they were there in the first place, did you? I did. I've been around a long time. And that's the good part, because I can tell you the stuff that works and what doesn't. I've already had the experience. You see what I'm doing? I'm taking my fingers in between here, pulling this up a little bit more, pulling this all the way out. Very important. You see that? All the way out. And then take this one edge, can you see that? Take this one edge and put it right inside of there. This edge in here, and then open it up. You got your pleats here, you got your pleats there, and it's pretty. Do you see? You're supposed to say it's pretty. It's pretty. It is. It is. See how pretty? I mean, it's different. And if you want to, you can even take a little bit of other substances, such as some of the trim, insert it in the middle. You can take even a fringe. Tassel, anything, put right in the middle, or put 1, 2, 3, 4. You can decorate that pillow real pretty. A lot of pretty things. So here we go. We have our no sewing pillow like I promised you.